I don't know. Like, I don't want to just blame Chewy because Chloe's done for. She just picked the paper towel up out of there. She got what does? So I picked the towel and dragging it around. I try to get it. She try to get it. That's right. You guys do this every night.
You watch Blind Spot, Adam?
Yeah, I watched it. I'm getting tired, Jane.
Why?
She's always keeping secrets. How should she learn they don't work? Just tell him. He's down with all this other bullshit.
Kill our brother.
There you go.
Watch anything else? What's that?
I watched Arrow. That's pretty much it. I haven't watched my freaking shows yet.
Daddy hasn't watched Arrow. A lot of people going tonight too.
Oh, yeah. I thought it came out in March.
Do you watch Supernatural?
No, I'm just going to wait to the end of the season and then watch off Netflix. Huh?
You're weird.
Why?
I'm gonna leave it on there because I might watch it again. It's pretty good.
Mom, it's halfway in. I don't know what the hell's been going on. Easy, don't hurt him. I'll be lost as hell. You gonna explain everything to me?
No, but I don't even know what's going on.
So I'm gonna wait till it's over and watch off the Netflix. So they put the whole season on. How you doing?
Stand by the ear.
Don't hurt him, Chloe. You guys play a little too rough sometimes. Cherry, she always dominates you.